Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we were doing some filming for the FishBone Fenders and we learned a costly lesson we thought we would pass on to you, maybe keep you from scratching your boat. We scratched ours so you don't have to. Let's get into it. So the goal today was to show off some configurations for the FishBone Fender, to show you some of the versatility, to also talk about the new bungee ball, which we'll get into that in just a minute here. I want to show you right up here in the front. We didn't have this fender out on the first shot. And when the boat came around, it dragged the gel coat all up and down the side of this really jagged, rusty metal dock. So quickly we threw another fender out. Thankfully I had an extra. What I want to teach in this lesson, notice how the boat's curvature starts in, comes out, and then works its way back in. So when you're coming up against a flat dock, depending on where the wind is coming from, you could hit here, you could hit here, or you could hit here. So it's a good idea to have 3 fenders out. So at a minimum, you need 3 fenders. Sometimes you're gonna lose one, sometimes you're gonna have another situation where you need some more. So 3 is a minimum. We generally keep 5 or 6 on the boat at any one given time. But I wanted you to see that because in this situation, I could have saved myself a scratch had I just had that 3rd fender out. I only had these back 2 out on that first approach there. Could have saved myself a scratch. Let's talk about this new bungee ball. Really cool. We went away from the Velcro strap that this product was launched with. It got this really cool little simple bungee ball, about 6 inches long, lots of stretchability there. It's got a little 1-inch ball on the end and it fits the product really great. It's going to come with the FishBone. Notice how we just pass it through the hole. You can then pass it through the cleat, over and over. Makes a nice connection. You can do so many things with them. We're going to show a couple different configurations here of how many things you can do with the bungee ball, but that's just such a better connection than the previous, so much easier to work with. Also, new product coming out soon. We're calling this the figure 8. Basically, it's the nylon webbing that you see on a ratchet strap, made into a figure 8 shape, fits the product really well, allows you to hang it down and hit that corner just right. Really like that a lot. In the front here, just a traditional dock line, tied off of the T-handle here, and then tied off of this grab rail. We wanted to find a perfect spot on this boat. It was really great to have it right there. Well, there's some helpful configurations for the FishBone. Hopefully some of these things will help you when you're coming into your favorite dock, favorite restaurant like this one. We're getting ready to go have lunch here. Check out the FishBone Fender. You can find them at fishbonefenders.com, JetBoatPilot.com, also on Amazon. We appreciate you watching this video. If you got questions, hit us in the comments below. Be glad to answer them for you. And if you like this video, check this one out.